The General Center Theory by Dr. Alon Giladi. Article 7. The Central Force.
From Aristotle to Newton to Einstein, from the breakthrough of initial theoretical logical thought to the breakthrough of mechanical thought to the breakthrough of relative thought, we move on now to the fourth scientific leap of the way, to the breakthrough of the central theory. And this breakthrough is the limit that Einstein could not reach because it is beyond light, and it is found both in the vast aspects of the entire universe and in the smallest aspects of those particles, of those elementary particles, that now it will be possible to explain. There is another force that acts, another fourth force. There is the allegedly strong nuclear force, the allegedly weak nuclear force, the electromagnetic force, and there is a central force whose element is the element of the beginning. Not space-time, which also requires a different observation of time, of the essence of time and of space. It is the element of the Big Bang that we are observing now in the appropriate way that breaks the path towards the unified theory that unites all the previous theories that are individual cases of it, as far as they still hold, that could not see all the cases towards the truth that, by the way, will never be fully achieved. Not dark matter, not dark force, not a space-time curvature, but a center around which the entire universe revolves, within which there is a force that affected the elementary particles and affects them even now. A force that affects in rotation, also as an allegedly centrifugal force, with the initial momentum force of the Big Bang. The central force is a force that continues to attract the entire universe to it, and therefore the universe does not fall apart, even though its constant acceleration, just as the satellites are in a constant acceleration, just as the Earth is in a constant acceleration, and just as the Sun is in a constant acceleration. Things do not fall to the center of the universe because of the combination of the center force with the center acceleration that acts on all the stars, on all the planets, on all the galaxies, and on all the black holes that are in the universe. From a current scientific point of view, this force can be looked upon as the fundamental force of gravity, the force that is present at the singular center point after the Big Bang, the center rotating point around which the entire universe that has expanded from revolves from that moment on. When we look at the most distant objects, there is a claim that certain objects, certain stars, are located at a distance of 60 billion light-years, or a distance of 90 billion light-years, and so on. But all these claims are based on the claim that the universe is expanding at a constant acceleration, that it is expanding endlessly. The claim of endless expansion is about what we do not see, because we do not see anything beyond 13.762 billion light-years. Beyond that cosmic radiation, we do not see anything. In other words, the claim that the universe is larger than 13.8 billion light-years is an unproven claim. It is a claim that is based on the claim that the universe is expanding endlessly. When we correct this claim, we see that even from a philosophical perspective, the claim that there is no absolute truth, that everything is relative and so on, also do not align with natural reality in itself, within which there is a Big Bang, after which the reality of being is built. A Big Bang that everything revolves around its point of origin, that everything accelerates towards it, but never falls into it. We never reach the truth in itself. The truth in itself, of course, includes what is beyond that center point. What created being, what created the reality of being, and what includes it, which is God, which is beyond the reality of being and beyond our capacity to know. But the beginning of the reality of being, that boundary point, is the center point of the universe, around which all the universe revolves, that all the universe gravitates to by the central force.